Sweet. So, I'm back to this nonsense. Not nonsense. My fun time. So these lights, I wanted to change them out, and I found this company, Rennlights, which I'm not sure if you guys have heard of, but they're supposed to make some really good quality stuff. And I reached out to them, and I wanted something a little different. I wanted an all black housing in the inside with a black ring. So they sent them out, and they came out packaged really amazing. Check them out. I've already started to open them, but for reference, look how this guy ships them. Pretty good quality, right? This one I already opened, and I thought that I'd throw them on there. It's supposed to be really easy to do. I've already taken off the flaps over here, and I'll get my tool out, pop them in. Shouldn't be longer than like a 20-minute job, I don't think. So I already got it started. I got my tool here in the headlight bucket. Really, you just have to spin it. You can see it pop open. You see that? So I already got the tool in there and started. I'm basically just gonna turn it. And that will unlock the light. If you see that, literally just popped out, and with two hands, I can probably pull it out pretty easy. So one thing that's like important to note as you bring it out, obviously you want to be super careful. Not scratch your bumper, don't ruin your lights. But this is the actual lever that locks it in place, and with the toolkit you go through the fender here, and you can see what it does there. It actually just locks it in place. There's the connector, and I think I'm gonna clean my boot out, to be honest. I'm pretty finicky when it comes to doing things to this. So I cleaned all this plastic area. It's just dusty, you know? Nothing crazy, but as you can tell, I like to be pretty clean about my plastic, so new headlight in, it's super easy. Wait. Lock it in place now. Nope. So I got one on. Completely different look. This black headlight is fire. About to put the other one on. We'll see what the whole front end looks like. This is the tool. This is where it goes. Off. Phenomenal. Hey, put them in. You gotta be a little careful. You gotta put in the there it is. So I got both on now. Looks really clean. Really clean. I guess we'll see what it looks like with the headlights on. Okay, little headlight test maybe. My battery's not still dead. Huh. Ain't that a bitch? Not cool, Rennlights. Not cool. Why would that be? Why would that be? Okay, so on the bright side, he's super responsive. He says, they do not have internal ballast or bulbs. Did you swap your parts in? So I guess I gotta do that. I wasn't aware. Let's see how this goes now.